Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create and delete partition after installation of Windows. First of all, click on start, then click on uh, right click on computer, and then click on manage, then click on disk management. Double click on disk management and then click on the drive you want to make partition in it. For example, I want to make partition in drive D. Then right click and click on shrink volume. Here I am having no space. I want to shrink another. uh, if I want to shrink here the computer will show you in the disk space, uh, that how much the your disk have space, and the MBs. 1 MB equal to 1024, 1 GB is equal to 1024 MBs. So when you want to make a partition, then for example you want to make 10 GB partition, then write here 10,000. Or if you want to make 500 GB, then you write here 500,000 MBs, and then click on shrink. The system will take some time depending on your computer speeds. Wait for it. Here you can see the system created 10.53 GB new. I want to show you. You can see volume H. Now I am going to new sample volume. Click on new sample volume, then click next, and remove the default, and then click on next, and for formatting NTFS default, and give a new name if you want. For example, a new. You can give any new name, and then click on next and finish. Now the system is formatting the new volume. Now you can see the system created new with a new name, new G volume. You can see you can also delete the volume if you want. Right click and delete. Click on delete volume. If you have any data in the volume, the system asks that it will be deleted. Then click on yes. Now you can see that the system removed the new volume naming G. As you can see, no new volume is in the